Please subscribe.
Hey folks, how's it going? Gagalag here, and we are in my freaking room here. This is the new setup where we're at, and we are today opening maybe three, we'll have to see if they're any good, mystery boxes. These are returns, probably from places like Amazon, Walmart. There could be anything inside of these hefty boxes. We got 1, 2, and 3. Don't look! Don't look! Don't look! Don't look! Don't look. You gotta be careful not to look. Okay, we done?
Yep.
Alright, folks. Anyways, can you be more careful?
I'll try.
Anyways, we are going to do a test today. What's that test, Sarah? What's that test, blah? Neither of them know. Today we are going to see if we can profit from the Amazon mystery box. This one's not completely closed. I don't want to see it. I'll put this one on top of it. It's like blood. Anyways, we're ready to go. We're going to look at each item and we're going to see what we got in here. It could be anything. We could have, you know, video games. We could have a damn new car or something, like some car keys, and we just have to figure out which car it goes to. But we could have anything in here. Isn't that right, Heather? Isn't it right? Ow! 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 Come here! Ow! Little bastard! All right. Sorry. All right, let's get going. Mystery box number 1. Not looking, just grabbing it out. We got a lot of treats in here. Now this was bought from a liquidation store. They said that they did pack it themselves, which I didn't like that. You know, we'll have to see if they actually put good stuff in here or not. But, you know, these are gotten from Amazon, Walmart, wherever, returns. So anything can be in here. First off, we have a bandana face cover. Wow. And the bandana face cover is worth roughly...
Hey folks, quick little note from the little editor here. I want you to know not to get too comfortable with the prices appearing on the screen like they're doing right now. This video was filmed back in June and it's now November, and I've been a lazy effer and not wanting to edit this because just editing the first 10 minutes of this video took way too long, and I'm feeling pretty lazy right now, so I'm not going to bother with putting the prices for every single item. You can get the gist of it, so I mean, just be prepared. It's going to stop happening around 10 minutes or so. Is that okay with you? Well, F you then. Blah, if that's not okay with you, F you too. But please keep watching the video, please. I need the viewer attention and the views and the watch time and all that. Please subscribe and put the little notification bell and all that kind of stuff. Oh, yeah.
So, boom. Next up, we have a notebook. Scribble ideas, reminders, and everything in between. It's just a little garbage little notebook. How do you open this? See, as y'all can see right there, that's a Walmart sticker. So this was from Walmart. You need that, don't you, Sarah?
Oh, yeah.
Little colors and hearts and girl stuff. Alright. Another notebook. Another notebook. Another notebook. Woo! Frilly things. This is for a B cup, it says on there. That's about my size. What do you say?
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Maisie, you want this? Oh, disposable medical masks. Stop it. No. She's chewing the damn thing up. No. because I show it to you doesn't mean you can eat it. Look at that, a huge thing of mass. That's nice, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So before the pandemic was starting, I was over studying in the UK, and I saw that it was about to start, and I was like, ooh, I need to buy up a whole bunch of masks and hand sanitizers and all that. But I was all the way over there. I didn't really have a way to really do it. You know, I'd be coming back, and I planned to be there when the pandemic started, but I could see it starting. I wanted to buy these for cheap and then start selling them, but I wish I had. Now they're just a dime a dozen. We have a protective case for an Apple AirTag. Wow, so like that. Hey. What is this, Miss Sarah? A 4-piece bracelet car emergency self-rescue tool. If anybody knows exactly what that is, let us know. It was made in the motherland of China. Not exactly the motherland, but close enough to it. So, a notebook. Ooh, what's that? A fashion mask? Wow, fashion mask. That's one of the cloth ones, nice. Ooh, what is this treat? A shock-proof slim case. Wow, it was made in China. Address, Long Hao Xingqiu Long Hua Street, Yuanhua North Road, Mingxing Gong Yi, Yanshen Zhen Gong Dong, China. My goodness, I know. It's wild. Look at that address on there. Who wants to send them a letter and let them know I'm showing their goodies? I don't want to open that because I'm sure it's worth some cash. I don't know what this is. I will go ahead and open this. You got any idea about this, Sarah?
I have no idea.
Kitty's checking out the box. Look. What is that? Do you have any idea? Do you know what it is, Heather?
I have no idea.
I don't know, but it's now a kitty toy. Next up, we have, ooh, a reindeer Christmas sock with more fuzzy wuzzies on it. Let's just see if we can find the other one, huh, Lizzie? This might take a little while to go through, huh?
Yep.
Got 2 treats here. We have Thrive Vanilla ethically sourced, natural grown Pacific Trader extract vanilla beans.
Oh my.
And these don't even expire. So what, can we plant these, Sarah? 10 vanilla pods. Oh no, it's the perfect ingredient for baking, desserts, vanilla extract powders. Enjoy a sweet floral aroma with flavors of fruit. Origin, Papua New Guinea. Alright, we got, this is from Amazon, so we can officially say in the title it's an Amazon return mystery box. So, thanks to you, this product has a second life. We appreciate it. I appreciate you more. This is a door latch cable. Oh, see, a little door latch. Nice, huh? A little, yeah, I know what that is. You want that? Yeah, there you go. Don't eat it. We got some socks. Are you gonna wear these, Sarah?
Oh,
Good
yeah.
vibes. You like these little ankle socks?
I do.
It's got flamingos and sunshine and all that kind of stuff on there. Another face mask. What am I looking at here?
Oh my.
Some kind of goodie. It's like Christmas morning.
Oh. There they are.
It's for my package, maybe. I don't know. Need a much bigger one than that for it. Anybody know what this is?
Face masks,
These
maybe?
no, I don't think so. This is a little hook or something. Hangs and folds it up or something. Who knows what that is? Let us know, please, in the comments. Yeah, maybe something for your...
Other way?
Oh. No. The other way felt better. This doesn't go around, but my face is huge, so... Whoever knows what the hell that is, let us know in the comments. We got another slim thickness, shockproof slim case, except this one is brand new and freaking sealed. Notebook. Oh, that's a little breathing mask for an infant or something. Simplus Seal Large Healthcare from Auckland, New Zealand. Some type of healthcare item. But it looks to me like a little mask for your crotch or something. Stick it through there and it has room for the underside to breathe. I don't know though. Does anybody have an idea what that is? Ooh, some little gloves for the garden right there from Walmart. Gardening gloves. Ooh, you won't want that, won't you, sir? Another face mask. Just reaching in blindly. I hope I don't get stuck with something. Got another big thing of masks. Mask. Man, this is nice for $7, isn't it? We got deals. More socks. Masks. A little piece of Chinese plastic. Ooh, what do we have here? Oh, the sun.
Oh.
But this one has a little... Oh, wow.
Oh my.
We need to just hang that up right behind us right now. That's beautiful. A nylon and braided durable and tangle-free design. Is that a phone cord or something? What kind of... What? You're shaking your head. What is it?
I don't know. I looked at it earlier.
I see that, and it looks like a phone cord, and it goes up here and wraps around the shaft. Nylon. Yeah, this is some kind of... Oh, it looks like HDMI, maybe? Oh, no. This goes from HDMI to a computer monitor. I forget what these are called. So how exactly does that work? You just... Could I plug this into, like, say, the Xbox or something, and then that into the computer, and... Maybe. That's nice. Socks. What is this? Masks. Masks. Ooh, masks.
Woo! We're set now.
Notebook. Mask. Sock. Ooh, what is that frilly little thing? It is real hairy. And it's just gritty. What? Is that a baby spoon, I guess?
Yeah, that's a baby spoon.
Okay. Oh, we have a friend that just had a baby, right? There. Expect this in the mail. You know who you are. Ooh, case for smartphone. Protect. This is for a new Galaxy S Ultra 2022.
Oh my.
Got another phone case from Hang Zong Zwong Ding Dong, China. Oh, I felt like a magician there. What is the... Ooh, from socks for me? No, these are... No, those... Wow. Who the hell can... I thought that was a sock. Ankle sock or something.
Those are pantyhose.
Should I try to get in that? You think I can get in that?
Maybe.
I really tried.
Got two of them.
Ooh, we got some white masks here.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Hey, a lid.
a lid. Is that the one you needed?
No.
Yeah, there was a lid at the plate. I mean, a container she wanted that was missing a lid. Enjoy your mobile life. That is for a iPhone XS Lightning series. Red case. What do we have here?
I have no idea.
I have no idea how it happened, but somehow I got some kind of Chinese asbestos or something in my mouth, so forgive me a moment. What the hell that was. What is this? Superior crafted quality ProMax Power, professional supplier for two-way radio accessories. Huh. Shall we see what it is? What is this? She just likes the sound. She thinks it's a treat.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, that plugs into something and this goes up to my one ear.
I think
on?
it's
They have a
like this
microphone?
clips onto your
Yeah.
belt thingy that plugs into whatever device and
Yeah.
talk through it.
Well, yeah, and this moves, but
It's weird.
why just one? Okay. I know Blah and I could have used these during our security work, so. We always wanted to get something like that, but never did. Alright, we're gonna pause it a second.
So that's just
What? No, don't stop. This is just a note for the editor. I'll just wait. Got another mask. Ooh, what do we have? What the hell? Ooh-wee! Ooh-wee! We got a treat! We got a treat! Ooh-wee! Ooh-wee! We got a treat! We got a treat! How do I put this on, Sarah? Is this supposed to attach to a ponytail or something?
I think so.
You want that? No, stop. White masks? What's she doing?
I'll check out the wig again.
We don't need her chewing it up. You know, I want some different stuff. Come on now, what is this? Keychain. Good vibes only, it says on it. Awesome. Cool. Stop scratching it. Stop it. Hey, stop. Sleep on the damn box. Uh-oh. Oh, no, y'all, hey, play nice, please. Alright, what is this? A mask hack. Mask bracket. You put that in and then put the mask over it, I guess?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So,
Well, we're starting to get low on this box. Ooh, we need to find the pair of the... We'll just kind of start going through this till we find something we already know.
light bulb.
Yeah. I don't know, is that a smart light bulb? Got that treasure?
Don't show that to Maisie.
Alright, we got this.
Oh.
Hello, Dick. I came from China to bring you this box.
Ooh, looks like a seashell. You want this, Sarah? Your beads?
Yes. Thank you.
She likes making stuff with beads. Who knows what that is? I just like that we got some nice big screws in there with drywall brackets. That's all I care about, because we have drywall here and need some of those screws. Damn asbestos. Blue ones this time. got, what are these little fence posts or something?
I think she found the ball.
Maisie, hey! Yep, that's what she was going after. What is this?
I think they're little sticks to have plants grow up it.
Simply place in soil of your favorite houseplant and watch them climb.
Aha!
Ah, you like this, won't you? Got
If I don't
that.
kill the plants, maybe.
And what is this? A little thing for what,
Xbox controller thing.
well, is that Xbox? No, that's PlayStation, I think. Yeah, it's for PlayStation.
That's weird.
Controller. It's like a little PlayStation condom. That. God, that's a nice little phone case there.
If only it would fit mine.
Yeah, for Google Pixel 6 Pro. Little bracelet thing. You want that, dear Sarah?
Purdies.
And then another phone protector, glass protector there.
Oh my goodness.
Now something dropped. Let's see. Oh, got that. Are those for? I would almost say that's for tires, but no, they have a little screw that's supposed to go through them. Alright, we're getting into the final little bit here, so I gotta look in to grab it. We have ourselves a spoon, and that is stainless steel too.
Oh my
Look at
goodness.
that. And what do we have here? Good vibes only. What is this? Got socks. Ooh.
Ooh.
It's like for a desk, like little light. Yeah. How does this work? On, off. You gotta. Oh. Wowee, it works. So you just. Apparently you need a little screw or something there on the desk. I don't really want that. Remove this sticker before using. Oh, it's solar panel. That's why. So you remove that and you got a little solar panel there and put that like at the door or something, you know?
That would
Wouldn't
be
you
nice.
say? Yeah, nice.
Put up the back door.
Yeah. We got what on God?
Hey.
Maisie, get that out of your mouth. What I was about to say is, what on God's green earth is this? I think it's a Christmas ornament. See, it's got a little thing there. The Christmas ornament for the 2021 vaccine. Okay. We're gonna make sure to put that on our tree this year, right?
Oh yeah.
I don't know, that's... Why, make it such a big deal like that? Like, ooh. Like, I want to think of happy things on my Christmas tree. You know, I want unicorns and sunshine and gingerbread men, all that kind of thing. Now, what is this? We got a little tape or something? Twilight masking tape. Then here we got some more Christmas stuff. This is a multi-tool, a stainless snowflake, 19-in-1 multi-tool, outdoor portable keychain screwdriver bottle opener for Christmas gift for men's.
Oh my goodness.
Men's. Well, this is, well, there went the keychain part, but so you got different little screwdriver things. What's that little hammer? Cool. And you can also put it right there on something. A little bottle opener. Okay, it's heavy as hell. Watch out, Heather. Okay, mask. Ooh, we got some Chinese herbs. Go plant these. It's just the kind I like too, where it doesn't even say what it is. It almost look like pumpkin seeds, but they're not. You want to just go throw these in the backyard?
Yes.
Okay. I'll put that to the side because we're about to go do that. Now here we have, well, it was inspected by someone named Munna, so maybe that's a good sign. M-U-N-N-A, like money. 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 I kind of want to go ahead and open this and see what it is. It's got some screws, which is going to be the main thing that I keep it for. Do you know what this may be? Screw it into the wall and then... What, it's like maybe...
Maybe some kind of handle goes there or something?
What I was going to say is maybe you put this at the door where you look out.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know why that's necessary, but maybe. Alright, last few things here. We have a case. It's got a little sleeve for your cards or whatever. We have Kivosliviz jewelry. Love can change the world. You are more beautiful and confident than you imagine. Oh, my goodness. Like little bookmarks or something? Yeah, little bookmarks, I guess. Well, oh no, okay, bookmark, and here's the jewelry. A piece of my heart lives in heaven, with a little ring on it. I mean, wing, sorry, not. Cute. Ooh, and we have a little bonus treasure in here, too. Cleaning cloth. Alright, we got like 2 things, I think. Some more of that. And, ooh, we got some kind of little cord. Does that fit?
Like the old phones.
Maybe. Alright, folks, so thank you for watching. We'll be opening boxes 2 and 3 in another video because that took a little too long. So we will see you next time, folks. Thanks for watching. There's going to be more amazing treats in the next box. That one was just incredible. I think we definitely profited. So the full total is right here. Wow. Thank you, folks. We'll see you later. Oh, poor puppy. Oh, goodness. Come here, poor little baby. Oh, poor little baby. Oh, my goodness. Did you almost die?